If you want to use MSN products like news, money, weather, and more without downloading the MSN app, you're in the right place. In this quick tutorial, I'll show you exactly how to read MSN without app, and you can do it on any device, even your phone. This is a super simple method, and it only takes a few seconds. If this video helps, please hit the like button and subscribe for more quick how-to guides. Let's jump in. First, open any browser on your device. You can use Chrome, Safari, Firefox, Edge, or any browser you already have installed. This works on both desktop and mobile, so you do not need to install anything extra. Once the browser is open, go to the search bar and type msn.com, then press Enter or tap Go. After that, the MSN website will open directly in your browser. You'll now be able to access MSN content without downloading the app. If you want, you can also log in to your Microsoft account for a more personalized experience. But if you just want to browse, logging in is completely optional. Now simply scroll down the page and choose the MSN service you want to use. You can check the latest news, browse money and finance updates, or look at weather information right from the website. Everything is available in one place, and it's easy to navigate. So that's it. You've successfully learned how to read MSN without the app using only your browser. No downloads, no extra setup, and no wasted time. If this tutorial helped you out, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss the next easy guide.